Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Martin Keown will be one of Arsenal greats. Don't come aside. They advise Mikel Arteta say make Arteta start Saka for left back. Say it will make sense well because you see na left back Saka take start a mark when they overlap they play very well before they come say okay maybe they come and they play am or forward. And more than not forget say Saka is very versatile. So in advice we say it will make sense to play there because moving forward we can't afford to drop any more points to get. So instead of doing so many trials with Tavares, wait time no day. So more just come and carry Saka go play for left back. Then you can put a Pepe for where Saka did. Instead of even thinking of carrying Granit Xhaka go play for that place. So me, I don't really buy that idea because it makes no sense to carry our most potent winger to carry and call the come play for defense. I wanted the do am from defense to attack with a bomb forward guy. The guy go tire himself. When was the last time we Saka play for left back? He no reason say Saka don't even forget how to play for that place. So that's my own take. I don't know what I think about this development because for me I no support them also. What's my own take? Our Maritime Spirit said they let us know say Eden Hazard they interested in joining Arsenal again if Arsenal go come for him because they're going to talk say in the 2000s, in the year 2000, 2004, 5, all those time where them invisible then they reign. Say Hazard they watch them well. Say on media set they ask and say which people in the watch where they give an inspiration during in young days. Because also in the watch all those French contingents really for EPL, especially all those Vieira, especially all those Henry, saying they watch them well. And if you watch Henry, that means you are watching Arsenal. So he still get love for Arsenal, despite the fact say he's a Chelsea legend. You get so if Arsenal go for him, about the reason say he go come. And still on this Hazard matter, so when you say the Arsenal don't contact Eden Hazard representatives over a move to Arsenal, over a loan move, and the move with Arsenal, the reason say they won't be say they don't want to pay the outright fee because as Hazard there for Real Madrid now, it don't be surplus to requirements, and with the incoming of Mbappe next season, it no go make sense for Hazard to still stay there because we are in one play. You get we are in one play. That's another issue because Vinicius Junior, Shola, he go there for wing. As Mbappe, he go there for wing. So these two people now, and that's why Asensio self won't leave, and that's why Hazard self gas to leave because Baba no dey in top shape again for that Real Madrid. He said they regret why he swap Chelsea for Real Madrid because nobody know the future say it will happen like that. But it don't happen. So Arsenal the reason say if they won't go for this guy, they are going for a loan with an obligation to buy or a loan with an option to buy. But the first thing we don't do now to take the guy out on loan. Real Madrid they willing to send them out on loan because he's not doing anything but the guy doesn't get injured anyhow. I don't know why. This guy was once a time a player we say he ruled EPL like he was a god of EPL. But now he don't share for that place. So Arsenal really say they won't carry him. What do you think about this Hazard deal? Nobody so won't buy him outrightly. Won't carry him on loan first. More test the waters before come invest in him fully. What do you think? Another news we want to hear about Ozil. We say Ozil is set to leave Fenerbahce when he leave Arsenal go join them. Until in stubbornness don't make him. We don't get issue with one of the coaching staff. So they can suspend them from the team indefinitely, like they the squad again. So Baba the reason say won't go join Hull City where one Turkish man Alkali that be the owner of that place. But now the reason say won't bring and come join there. Well, wish him all the best of luck. Another news we want to hear be say Arsenal the eye Maurizio Sarri as Arteta replacement if Arteta decides say he won't leave at the end of the season, which I don't think is possible. Arteta no fit just pack him back say I find my square root. Now I go pursue him now. So because Sarri now in the come up for Lazio at the end of the season, so they talk say anything will make Arteta leave. Then Sarri now will be the likely replacement. Well, we never know how this one will solve. But I don't think there's any reason we're going to make Arteta one leave because they are going back to Europe. And Arteta will buy more players. So we need to finish this project when it starts. And it will do for our own good self. Make it finish the project because any person will come again. That person will start afresh the building. Or the two-story building where we don't build, the person will destroy and start from bungalow again. That's going to be a disaster. At the same time, Arsenal don't they ready to cut their losses with Pepe. You get so they really say they would like to sell the guy for £25 million. Forget say they buy at £72 million. So they really say anybody who won't come for him, you get give us 25 and it's all yours. Say they don't really need that because themselves they really say they want strengthen the team, they want replace Pepe because it's not giving us anything, no dimension, nothing, no goals, no assists. So what are you just doing there? Let they collect salary, and the guy they collect big salary. So that's why they really say you don't overstaying welcome. Michael Owen don't come outside, they predict the match between Arsenal and Brighton. So Baba can talk say for this match, saying they see Arsenal beating Brighton 2-0 because this match is a very important match for Arsenal this season. You get, because number one, we say we and Spurs in the same point, 54-54. Then we dey ahead of Manchester United. Man U dey 51 points, West Ham dey 51 points. Even though West Ham don't play 31 matches, Man U don't play 30 matches. Tottenham Hotspur don't play 29 matches. We don't play 28 matches. So many things you get. I know say we'll get like maybe 9 matches to go. No, Tottenham don't play 30, we'll play 29. Then West Ham 32, Man U 31, which means just small points and games difference that dey between all of us. You get, so just check the table now. You go see how everything dey position. Well, I never know how this one goes up. All I know be say we can't afford to lose this match, and I would say Owen said the see. Say Arsenal can't afford to lose this match. It is a very important match. You get, so in the see Arsenal winning 2-0. So what's been our prediction? What's gonna see for this match? According to our monitoring spirit that they call Football Insider, so that they let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Aston Villa centre back who they call Enzri Konsa. So this guy is very good. You know, the guy is a mainstay for Aston Villa backline. So my own concern is say, why are we signing centre backs? All the centre backs will get, what is happening to them? I bet they won't sell Rob Holding. I bet they won't sell Pablo Mari. What is the plan? I don't get. It never declared to me yet. Well, I believe say at this is in the end, clarity will come in because when you have Ben White, Gabriel Magalhaes, you see have Saliba that is coming, you see have Trusty that is outside, you see have Pablo Mari. So that's 5 already. Why I don't count? So what's the goal? I don't get. Say one buy more. How many want they play at the same time? So that's all what I'm saying. So I never know how they want to do all these things. More they watch out. And my Everton hierarchy self that they vex with Dominic Calvert-Lewin news where they hear for the media say the guy they close to joining Arsenal. They don't say who accept Arsenal deal. How the guy think they close to joining Arsenal? Say the thing they overshadow their relegation battle together. Say they fight relegation call it yes, say one of our best players don't they links to Arsenal. And she don't almost join. Say it don't make sense. Who they write this news? Who give them the authority? No, they got the para. So I never know how this will talk. Make it no be say they'll come change their mind if Arsenal really won't sign the guy. But the way Everton they go now, they are relegation sure, and the relegation sure. All those kind Richarlison, all those kind Dominic Calvert-Lewin with many players, all those Dele Alli, they will find their square roots. Darwin Nunes will be one of the players where Arsenal the reason say they would like to sign for the summer. He don't change in agents. So Baba they come up from Edgardo Silva. So they come up for that one hand, they won't join another agent. So we never know how it is up. Well, more the watch. Our familiar setting, they probably asked Mikel Arteta about removing Nuno Tavares again for the last match against Crystal Palace. So whether they don't resolve the issue. So Baba come to say with Tavares, they don't talk one-on-one again. You don't explain to the guy, say why he come out and say that for the betterment of the team. You get, there will be any malicious intention, nothing like that. See, and Tavares understand why they continue to move on. Tavares understand what happened for the match, and himself the plan say he will correct the mistakes moving forward again, because it is very hurtful. Like the last 2 matches they don't play this year, they don't come out to first one after 30 minutes. That's why they come out after 45 minutes. Come on now you know say I was going wrong. And like somebody talk for a review program, because they talk say before they buy this guy, Arsenal see wetin they bring to the table. Yeah, whether na Potomesi talk herself say before they buy him, they say they bring to the table. That's why they buy him in the first place. You get. So now, when I don't get them, I know people they come out anyhow now. We don't say they match rusty, we don't say no good at all. And just the match rustiness. So well, don't know that Arteta go play today. I believe that will change the new formation. When lineups come outside, we will know. Away from Nuno Tavares, so they call ask Arteta about injury updates. What is up with all these players like Tomiyasu, Alpha? So Tomiyasu never come back. You look say in the coming days, the guy will come back. Thomas Partey, that one, no way back. That one said we missed the whole of April. So we never know when that one they come back. It's in a few weeks, maybe like 4 weeks, 5 weeks, we can't tell. You get Keriatieni, that one we don't know say at the end of the season you get. So apart from all these 3, every other person they fully fit, you get, they okay to play, you get. So well, we're gonna watch how the lineup will be. All we need today is just 3 points. They still they ask Arteta about Lacazette's performance. Say, how far Laka now? The guy know the score goal. I understand the user. What did they solve now? So I tell that say truly, like I tell you, the score goal and aim for life make a striker as the score goal because that is your primary responsibility. Though say the guys they contribute in other ways, but then in other ways, that people like me don't like. You get fine and good, hold up, play. You are a striker for God's sake. You can't be scoring 2 goals in 20 something matches. It doesn't make sense now. That's not your sole responsibility. People hold up, is that your job? Giving assists, fine, it's good. Don't give assists, quite alright. But the way the game be now, if you know they score, nobody will listen. And another thing I thought I can't talk again, we say, maybe they just give the guy time because the guy said they give us other dimension. If you know the score, but see the help us for that. So they come ask Arteta another question, we come bust Baba head, come vex, and they come ask and say, with the way where the team no score now against Crystal Palace, say, shey you feel say they regret why he sell Aubameyang or why he sell Balogun out on loan to Middlesbrough. So what to say, why you dey ask me this kind of question? And she mean that because we lose against Crystal Palace, you don't bring this question. In the last 6 weeks, when we were high flying, we were putting anybody, knocking anybody, 5 away straight win, you did not ask me say whether I regret sending out Aubameyang. So for that reason, I am not answering that question. Which kind of question with that? And this thing goes to all Arsenal fans who say, anytime we lose, none of them will remember say they send out Aubameyang. None of them will remember say they will not buy for January. But when we win, we don't talk all those things. People are just taking and talk, counting at it, and still at that they respond to the journalists. When they ask and say, "Say you regret?" They regret waiting. They regret shit. I'm not the reason all those way. About the match of the day, Arsenal versus Brighton. So Arsenal will host Brighton today as they will try to return to winning ways. We are going to run check their head to head. For the last 4 games for Emirates, Arsenal win 2, draw 1, and lose 1. But today's match will be very, very important as Arsenal no fit afford to drop any more points. So if you check table now, you will see Arsenal and Spurs dey the same points, that's 54 points. And at the same time, West Ham and United dey 3 points behind Arsenal. So as today match, even I just keep an open mind, not play so the Emirates 3 points in our own. So this match now like early kick off that kind 3 p.m. So we just hope say Arsenal will make us proud, collect the 3 points. That's why we are here. I'm going to support them. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. You see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.